The Vintage Chic collection by Creative Memories will never go out of style. Make chic layouts like this gorgeous page to create scrapbooks that are both timeless and trendy. Let's start by admiring the stunning foiled Vintage Chic album cover. It's the perfect foundation for showcasing your most special memories. These beautiful designer papers feature modern vintage patterns with delicate distressing throughout. The ABC 123 tile stickers are a fun and easy way to add a personal touch to titles on your layouts. Use the decorative designs on the Vintage Chic mat pack. It includes 24 mats in 2 sizes. The tonal papers are simply exquisite. They offer a beautiful range of colors and textures. Secure keepsakes and photos stylishly inside the Vintage Chic pocket embellishments. As for the Vintage Chic embellishments, they include a variety of icons and decorative tags. Make your layouts shine bright with the elegant diamond border punch. The 8x8 Vintage Chic paper album is perfect for more petite projects or gifting. The complementing berry punch shimmer solid core paper. It's a beautiful way to add some sparkle to your memories. Get your hands on the Vintage Chic collection today and start creating scrapbook pages that will be treasured for years to come.